I just installed a brand new Maytag dishwasher MDB9959SKZ0. After 10 to 15 minutes into the cleaning cycle, it gives an error code F8E4. I checked the drip pan and it had water. I emptied it and reattached the float switch plug. Tested again and received the F8E4 error code again. The drip pan contained water again. I emptied the drain pan, reattached the float switch, pulled the dishwasher out of the cabinet and made sure it was level in every direction, then tested it again only to get the same error code and water in the drip pan. The water is coming from the small black hose on the left side above the drip pan. No water came out of the black hose on the right side of the unit. The water line above the drip pan is not leaking. All of the water causing the float switch to trip the error code is coming from the small hose on the left side of the drip pan. The water drips from the small hose during the cleaning cycle and not during the fill cycle. The unit is pumping water out through the drain hose with no issues.
What happened just before your Maytag dishwasher displayed this message?
Nothing, it generated the error code and started beeping.
How long has this been going on with your Maytag dishwasher? What have you tried so far?
This was a brand new dishwasher. The error code had occurred on every attempt to run the dishwasher.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, I explained everything.
Hi, my name is. I am sorry to hear you're having a water leak. Give me a moment to look up the model, please. This black hose that you are talking about, is it in the front of the unit or near the back of the unit?
It is located in the front of the unit over the drip pan.
Okay, so there can be an issue with the spray arm or the door gasket causing the water to leak into the bottom of the dishwasher.
It must be the spray arm. There is no water leaking from the door. Since it is a brand new unit, I plan to simply exchange it. I just wanted to make sure it wasn't something I was missing. Thank you.
You're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.